When should the filter be replaced? You should replace the filter under any of the following conditions. Flashing indicator light, the filter life has completely expired. Solid indicator light, only 10% of the filter life remains. Slow filtration, water takes unusually long to filter over roughly 30 minutes. All lights flashing, see our All Lights Flashing troubleshooting video for details. How to replace the filter. Lift the purified water pitcher and empty any remaining water. Open the side cover, lift the old filter and twist it to remove. Insert the new filter and twist it until it is fully locked in place. Reinstall the side cover. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds. When you hear 3 beeps, the reset is complete and the filter indicator light will turn off. After replacing the filter, a complete system flush is required before using the machine. Please refer to our System Flushing tutorial video for detailed instructions.